Welcome to Rob Talks. Let's take a look at today's Mayan calendar. Here's the translation for March 21st, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katan, 13 Tun, 4 Uinal, and the 12 Kin. This stage of the long count reflects a moment of refinement and emotional clarity. As the cycle progresses, unnecessary elements begin to fall away, allowing for a clearer path forward. This is a time to simplify and prepare for a completion. The 12 Kin is about energy moving toward resolution and refinement. You're being asked to simplify your focus and to reflect on what truly matters. It's also a time to prepare for closure of current efforts. Next up is the Tzolk'in calendar, which I'm translating the entire 13-day cycle in another video. If you're interested in seeing it, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 11 Kawak. Kawak is represented by the storm. It is about emotional release, cleansing, renewal, and storm energy. The number 11 is about resolution, simplification, and clearing. Together, 11 Kawak brings a powerful energy of emotional cleansing and renewal. Kawak is the storm that clears stagnant energy, allowing fresh life to emerge. It may bring emotional intensity, but its purpose is healing and transformation. When coupled with the number 11, it also supports release and resolution, helping to dissolve what is no longer aligned. You're being asked to allow emotions to move and release, and to embrace healing processes. Also to let go of what feels heavy or stagnant. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. The Hob date is 7 Mol. Mol is associated with water gathering. It's about unity, collective strength, and the gathering of water. Day 7 is about a center point, balance and reflection. Together, 7 Mol represents a moment of balance within the collective cycle. Today encourages reflection within community dynamics, helping to restore harmony and alignment among individuals working together. You're being asked to reflect on your role with those around you, and to restore a balance in relationships, also to encourage harmony and understanding, and to support collective healing. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about resolution and refinement, and the Tzolk'in reflects emotional release and renewal. The Hob calendar is about balance with others. This is a day of clearing and renewal, a time to release what is heavy and to allow healing to occur, also to restore balance within and around you. Collectively, this day highlights the importance of emotional healing and renewal. When we release old pain and allow transformation, we can move forward with greater harmony and understanding. The energy of Kawak supports deep emotional clearing and transformation. By recognizing cycles, you're becoming aware that this can also serve as a form of healing. Also, with this awareness of understanding, you will be able to help others in their own lives. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I release what no longer serves me and allow renewal to flow through my life. Thank you all for your support.